it's your girl Senior D here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously, if you guys can tell by the title, this is the most anticipated Gymshark launch of 2019, and it is the Whitney Simmons and Gymshark collection, which I'm so excited to review for you guys. I have had this sitting to the side for forever since I got it, and anticipating to review it for you guys, but I also wanted to try it out for myself. And sorry, my nose itches. I also wanted to try it out for myself, wear it at the gym, and then kind of give you guys a little bit of a review of it, just so that you guys get an honest review, an honest opinion of the actual quality and how it fits and how it wears and all the above. I was so hyped up to buy this, but let's just talk about a little bit of tea about the process of trying to get this stuff. So oddly enough, on the day of its launch, when it launched, I think it was like at 1 p.m. or whatever time it was, 1 p.m., 2 p.m., something like that. The site crashed and it just, so much traffic, and you know, it was hard to even check out, and things were consistently selling out. Well, apparently, I guess, you know, they anticipated that they were going to have, you know, plenty of stock for weeks, and that people were going to be able to get their hands on everything, but apparently that wasn't the case. So they put, again, I guess I heard, they put a lot of their stock that they had gotten on the US website and on the Canadian website or UK website, something like that. I forget. Catherine Fit, who I watch on Instagram, also put up a video, which I will link her somewhere here as well, and I'll list Whitney Simmons' video as well, review over her clothing line, so you guys can kind of see. But she goes in more depth just talking about how it was very odd, and it was odd to me as well that when I went to go check out, all the things I put in my cart, and then everything was sold out. I had to go back in and keep on getting kicked back out. And then finally, I was able to grab like 3 pieces, and then a few days later after the launch, or even a week later, all of a sudden the US website had a few items available just out of nowhere, when apparently it was sold out. So I'm guessing it was because the other websites, or the other country websites they had put stock on, didn't sell as well as they thought they were going to, so they knew they put it on the back on the US website, knowing it would sell out instantly. So anyways, after the whole debacle of trying to get this stuff, I was able to get my hands on 6 items out of this line, in which I will kind of give you guys a video of me trying it on, and then I'm going to go more in depth in showing you guys what this stuff looks like. But just to tell you a little bit, I love Whitney Simmons. I've been following her for like so long on Instagram, and she is just so inspirational. Just everything that she does, the way that she holds herself, how professional she is, how kind she is to her subscribers, her followers, and she just seems like a very genuine person. I wish I would be able to meet her someday, and I hope that would happen at some point, just so I can tell her how inspirational she is to me, because I do her fitness workouts that she puts on her Instagram. I always vote on them, and they're such, you know, great aspirations to want to be when it comes to fitness goals. And I've taken, you know, so much of her advice when it comes to my own personal fitness, which is, you know, helped me in my own journey along the way, you know, since last year and this year. So enough rambling for me. Let's just go ahead and get into this video and trying on this stuff and telling you guys my in-depth review. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the sports bras. So I did get the 2 different colors that I got. I got Beautiful Blue, which is this color, and then I got the Moab Mountain Brick color. So this is what the sports bra looks like. It has thick straps. They're not adjustable. They are just the way they are. It does have removable cup pads that is in there for you. And then if you notice right here, it does say it is a beautiful day to be alive. Every single one of her clothing lines has somewhere on there, it's a beautiful day to be alive. That's just one of her great catchphrases. I wish she would have had somewhere on her clothing line saying, you know, hot fire flames, or God, I cannot talk today right now. My throat was like super dry. I might need to go get water. But in general, it is an extremely cute sports bra. It does have this little peekaboo cutout in the front right here for you where it can show a little bit of under boob, but if that's not really your thing, you can just pull it up and you won't even be able to tell it's there. And then the detailing to the back. So the back does have the Gymshark logo right here for you, and then it does have this cute, unique gold ring, which matches the gold bar, which is right here. Now I will also show you guys, I do have some of the string coming out, or the thread. I have seen apparently some people immediately after they put it on or wore it that the bar popped. I haven't seen that happen yet, and I hope it doesn't happen. I hope that it's sewed in there great, but obviously make sure you guys take care of your gym wear the way that it should be. Delicate when you're throwing it in the wash. Never put it in the dryer. Always air dry so that you don't ruin the fabric, and make sure you guys turn your clothes inside out for your workout gear so that it doesn't pill. And especially this fabric is super soft. Super duper soft. So yes, this is what the sports bra looks like. It's super cute, super beautiful, super comfortable. Now I will tell you, I get my sports bras in a size large just because I like the compressiveness, I guess that's the word, the compression of the sports bra when I'm wearing it. Because if I was to wear an extra large, to me sometimes the extra larges feel a little bit too big. So I was just always sized down in my sports bras just so I know that everything is tucked in there and it is compressed. So that is what the sports bras look like. And then going on to the leggings. So this is what the leggings look like. Again, in the same two different colors that I got. I got it here in the Moab brick color, and then I've got it in beautiful blue. So Whitney Simmons says that this is like the most stretchable like fabric that they've had in a very long time, although it is very thin compared to some of their other ones. So up top it is double lined for the waistband. It does have a waistband lining to it, and then obviously just single lined for your, and there's my hair, for the leggings. So these are a 7/8 legging, a true 7/8 legging. They are extremely very soft. They are very stretchable. Now this isn't a size small. My typical size is a size small in leggings based on my height and my weight. But for some odd reason, sometimes in Gymshark, it is a hit or miss for me when it comes to their smalls. I probably could say the way that these fit on me, they do fit pretty well. But I probably could have sized up in them because the back part of the waistband likes to like fold down just a little bit. And I don't like that whatsoever. I like them to feel nice and high-waisted and stretchy. And I want them to, yes, I want to have that compression in my waistline, but I don't like it when they like slightly roll down a little bit. So again, I wish I would have sized up, but I got on the website as quickly as possible to get my size and what I could. So, and I did have these in two different orders. My blue set that I got during the first initial launch, and then my Moab set, I think I got the hoodie and the sports bra the second time, because I think those are the two items that I was missing. Because I think I got the two leggings and then the sports bras, this blue sports bra, and then the blue top that matches the leggings. I got those all together. Anyways, I was able to get all the stuff, but it was kind of expensive. But you know what? It's worth it when you pay for good quality and stuff. So anyways, this is what the leggings look like. They do have this razor cutout in the back, and then they do have, you know, a nice curved detailing that shapes your butt very nicely. Again, I will tell you, I am having a few different problems with this. Like I just had some thread or fabric come out, and I haven't even washed these yet. So yeah, and then right there I've got something coming out. So I don't know, a little hole. I do love these so far. They are super comfy. I have tried them. God, I'm trying not to say wow, Sandra, stop. Anyways, so these leggings are very soft, and she did say in her review of her own fitness line that some of these colors are not sweat resistant or sweat proof, but they do dry very easily, and I did notice that it did dry very easily, super quick, but they are not sweat proof. And then also because of how thin and light the leggings are, only the black, I believe, and I think she said the hot pink one are squat proof. So these are more or less for like leg days if you're going to be going to the gym, or if you are going to wear these to the gym, she suggests either obviously wearing no underwear or wearing nude underwear that so you don't see your underwear through this. So obviously I did do a squat test for you guys in this video showing you that they are not squat proof, but if I was wearing a neutral underwear then it probably would be, because I do not go to the gym without wearing underwear. I can't do it. That just feels weird to me. I will not go commando. But these are super cute. They are super lightweight. They are so soft. And I love, love, love that. So again, I don't know how I'm going to fix that. But yeah, look at that. I haven't even washed these yet. And they already came like that with the string undone. It makes me so sad because these are like, feel so great quality. But I just don't want the little bar to pop off. And obviously it's going to be hard to duplicate a piece of string like that and to get it to attach back. But if you look on the inside, I mean, that's how it's attached. So, I mean, it just seems like this one was poorly rushed and it's very not put it in there very well. Oh, what does the other one look like? So curious since I keep finding all these little threads coming off. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I've been in sewing class before and this just does not seem right in the way that they did this. So I just hope that it doesn't come off. I'd be very sad if it does, and I'll just attach it back with a different color thread or something similar that I can find, possibly at Joanne Fabrics or whatever. And then just to kind of show you guys, it's a beautiful day to be alive. It's on the inlining of the leggings. So there is that. And then next we have the top that corresponds with the Moab blue. So obviously if you guys notice in the side-by-side that I show you guys, my normal top size that I've been getting is a medium, since I normally wear a large sports bra that compresses my chest down, and medium normally has been fitting me, but I guess in this one I probably should have sized up and done a large, just because of the way that it's sitting on me. It's showing my sports bra on the side, and when Whitney's wearing it, it shouldn't be showing your sports bra, but I guess everything fits everyone differently, so it is what it is. But it does have that really cute mesh detailing. It does have the line down the center because she wanted, you know, to really show off, you know, the great design of the shirt. And it also does have this cute little mesh detailing on the sleeve, and then it also says it's a beautiful day to be alive right there on the cuff, so you can see that right there. And then the Gymshark logo on the back. The top is not sweat proof, which she also shows off in her video, but again, the sweat does dry, and this is very super comfy, and that's the one word I can consistently use for this line, is just comfy, comfy, comfy. So there's that. And last but not least, I did get one of the hoodies. Now the hoodie definitely feels a little bit different in fabric. It's not as soft as the leggings or the sports bras. This is a little bit different when it comes to it. Kind of just feels like that normal what's the word I'm looking for? It just kind of feels like the normal fabric that hoodies are typically made out of. So again, it is really cute. It does have this, you know, lining along the hood. There it says Whitney Simmons. You have the drawstring type of string. I can't even talk today, with a little bit of gold detailing to kind of match the rest of it. And then what makes this different, if you guys can see them in the side-by-side that I have, is that the way that she wanted to do this, because some people like really oversized hoodies, some people like hoodies that are a little bit more on the snug side, so she did add this type of bungee string to all of the sleeves and to the center, so you can scrunch it up, and just so it kind of gives you that nice little scrunched cuff detailing, so you can keep it tight depending if it's cold or not cold outside. And yeah, and then all of it has the mesh detailing on it, just like the shirt did. So that's what that looks like. Obviously I'll show you guys in the side by side. And then right here on this sleeve, it does say it's a beautiful day to be alive. So every single one of her clothing does have it's a beautiful day to be alive, which is a wonderful saying, because again, we never know if we have 20 seconds or 20 years. So we just need to go a day at a time and be humble for the life that we have, and be humble for the things that we have in life, and just know that it can all be taken away in an instant. So that is my honest review of Whitney Simmons and Gymshark. So I want to know what your guys' thoughts are. If you guys were able to get your hands on this collection, what were your thoughts? Leave a comment down below. And I'm also so tempted to buy their new line they just launched, which is the Geo Seamless. If you guys are getting your hands on it, or if you're buying it, let me know, because oh, I want to buy it so bad. Just one set, but one set is $95, just the top and the bottom, not even including the sports bra. Not even including the sports bra. But the sports bra isn't really that cute. I mean, it's just as intricate as like their other sports bras they have. And I kind of want to do, phone, if you do not stop. I kind of want to do a side-by-side comparison of the Geo Seamless versus the Camo Seamless and see how they kind of compare, and then kind of do a comparison maybe across the board of the Ombre Seamless. So like, what's your thought process on it? Anyways, I'm going to keep rambling on. I love Gymshark so much. I've become such a huge supporter of them and all the ambassadors that they have. Like, Nikki is so cool. I've started subscribing to her YouTube channel as well, because of Whitney Simmons and some of the other people that are Gymshark ambassadors, because they've just such cool channels. Damn, phone, stop it. I wonder who that is. But in general, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you guys like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video with me, your girl, Sandra D. Alright, I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye! Oh, P.S. If you guys didn't see my shirt, this is the new Jeffree Star Halloween shirt that just released. God, I can't talk today. I got it in my, ooh, I almost showed you guys my address. I got it in my mystery box for Jeffree Star. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it here for you. P.S. There's a giveaway in that video that you should be entering. And it doesn't end for like another 2 weeks because I just started it this week. Anyways, okay, I love you guys. Bye.